Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial by Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian Glow palette. This is how the palette is looking. So if you're interested in this look, stay watching. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, y'all, so I have my eyes based with the Louise as usual. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to add that in my crease area. All right, so the eyeshadow is packed. Now I'm about to go in with a dense brush and blend out the harsh lines just a bit. And while I'm doing that, I am going to go back in with that same color so that, you know, I can get like a flow. All right, so I have stuff blended to as much as I want it to be blended. But I'm going to go in with this yellow orange shade, well, yellow gold shade, and I'm just going to pack it right on top of here. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Next, I am going to go in. Now, it is 4 different shimmers, as you guys can see, but I'm going to do this one, and this one. All right, y'all, so now I'm about to go ahead and do my face makeup, but it's going to be a speed through.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake.
All right, y'all, I am back with the final look. So this was a cute, fun, simple look. This is a great summer look. I like how it turned out right. I like how all the colors contrasted beautifully. I really like it. This is really cute. Y'all see that? Like, it's really popping, y'all. So I don't have any cons with the product. I use my primer as usual, and voila. So if I forgot to leave out anything, please feel free to comment and let me know how you guys liked my review tutorial. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.